Now here is one this past summer in New York City. This lady said that in a dream she met numberless people and she seemed to know them all, some better than others. Memory failed with some faces, but she knew them. And she longed to be with them. The stream was very narrow. Beautiful crystal water. Not water as we know it, but it was water. And she felt it was holy water. And strangely enough, the water came right to the banks. It didn't overflow. And these beautiful trees, like ancient trees, on the side. They were on that side, but she couldn't seem to reach them. And she felt if I could only touch them, that would satisfy me. And she realized she was separated by a physical state. She was physical, and they were not. And because of this physical state in which she found herself, she couldn't touch them. Then appeared before her suddenly a little boat. She got into the boat and said to herself, well, now I will row across and I can touch them. But as she got into the boat fitted her and no one else. It actually fitted her like a bathing suit, as it were, with a boat. And there were no oars to row across. And the stream took up, and strangely enough, the stream went uphill. But it didn't seem unnatural that water should flow uphill. It rippled, beautiful crystal clear water rippling uphill, and the banks never overflowed. And then, on that side of the very narrow stream, they pointed to the end of the stream. And one voice said to her, not until you traverse the length can you cross the width. You traverse the length, and you'll cross the width. And that's our life. You aren't going to shorten it. You're going to traverse the length and encounter all the scenes that are there to be seen. And you will rearrange some if you believe what I tell you. Others, you will like them as they are and not rearrange them. You'll come upon scene after scene. Some are not pleasant. You'll revise them. That's repentance. Some are pleasant. You'll delight in them. That's all right. But on the very end of the stream, then you will traverse it. And you are part of the boat. Well, that's what Blake said. Man is either the ark of God or a phantom of the water and the sea. He's either one or the other. He's either the ark of God or simply a phantom. He is the ark of God. He gets into it. The whole thing is contained within him. And the stream takes him. He can't row it. He can't do a thing about it. He moves from moment to moment to moment to encounter events. And then he either changes the event within his mind's eye or he doesn't. Even the unpleasant things men won't change. They think it's a fact. They aren't facts. They're there to exercise your talent. So you encounter a disagreeable person in the office. All right, he's disagreeable. Change him. He is a fact. Represent him to yourself as a very pleasant person that you like to do business with. And all of a sudden he changes his attitude towards you. That was a challenge to you to exercise your talent. So along that stream, you aren't going to encounter him anymore. Not the disagreeable one. You will encounter a transformed person because you use your talent to transform him. So that everyone, from morning to night, as the poet said, does the road wind uphill all the way? Yes, to the very end. Does the journey take the whole long day? Yes, from morn till night, my friend. So until you get to the very end, you can't get across the little width. And the width is so narrow. And the journey seems so long, but not until you traverse the length will you cross the width.